Caprese Salad, an epitome of culinary simplicity that packs a flavorful punch. Hailing from Italy, this dish celebrates the harmony of minimal ingredients creating maximum flavor. Think vine-ripened tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, aromatic basil leaves, and a hint of olive oil. Excited? Brace yourself for a gastronomical adventure. First things first, gather all the ingredients. We're going to need 3 vine-ripened tomatoes, about 250 grams of fresh mozzarella cheese, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Now, these ingredients are the heart of our caprese salad, so we want them to be as fresh and high quality as possible. Vine-ripened tomatoes are key, as they offer a perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. Fresh mozzarella cheese is a must-have, with its creamy texture and subtle, milky flavor. It pairs beautifully with the tomatoes. And let's not forget the fresh basil leaves. They add a peppery, slightly sweet flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. We'll also need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil for a rich, fruity note. You can add a drizzle of balsamic glaze if you like a sweet and tangy flavor boost. Lastly, season to taste with salt and freshly ground black pepper. With all the ingredients ready, it's time to dive into the creation process. Creating a caprese salad is more of an art than a recipe. Imagine yourself as an artist, and your canvas is a large platter, waiting to be adorned with vibrant hues of red, white, and green. So, let's get started with our masterpiece, shall we? First, let's begin with the base of our palette, the ripe, juicy, vine-ripened tomatoes, sliced to just the right thickness. About 1/4 inch, or 6 millimeters, if you're into specifics. Next, we introduce the creamy, luscious, fresh mozzarella cheese. Now, it's crucial that these slices mirror the size of our tomato slices. This symmetry is not just visually pleasing, but also ensures a balanced bite every time. Now comes the fun part, layering. Think of it as creating a beautiful mosaic of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil leaves. Start with a tomato slice, follow it with a slice of mozzarella, and then a whole basil leaf. Repeat this pattern until your platter is filled with this delightful trio, creating a visual feast of red, white, and green. But we're not done yet. The next step is to drizzle the extra virgin olive oil over our assembled slices. This golden liquid will not only enhance the flavors, but also add a touch of Mediterranean charm to our salad. For those with a penchant for a sweet and tangy flavor profile, a drizzle of balsamic glaze can be just the twist you need. This is optional, but highly recommended for a flavor boost. Now, onto the seasoning. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. The salt amplifies the natural flavors of the tomatoes and mozzarella, while the pepper introduces a hint of heat, creating a symphony of flavors in your mouth. We're almost at the finish line. Allow the salad to sit for about 10 minutes. This little pause lets the flavors meld together, creating a harmonious blend of taste and texture. Voila! Your caprese salad masterpiece is ready. But wait, there's one final step. The flavors of caprese salad intensify when they are given time to mingle. This is where patience truly pays off. Allow your assembled masterpiece to sit for about 10 minutes before serving. This pause lets the tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil absorb the rich olive oil and optional balsamic glaze, enhancing their natural flavors and creating a symphony of taste. And as they say, the best things in life are worth waiting for. Now, to complete the gastronomic experience, serve this salad with some crusty bread. The bread not only complements the textures in the salad, but also helps soak up that delicious dressing you've just created. And there you have it, a simple yet flavorful caprese salad ready to tantalize your taste buds. Let's recap the delightful journey of creating a caprese salad. We started with 3 vine-ripened tomatoes, 250 grams of fresh mozzarella cheese, and some fresh basil leaves. The key here was the quality of ingredients, the fresher, the better. Then we sliced the tomatoes and cheese into 1/4 inch thick slices, creating a beautiful blend of red and white. The assembly was an art in itself. Alternating layers of tomato, mozzarella, and basil were arranged on a platter, creating a visually pleasing pattern. The drizzle of extra virgin olive oil added richness, and the optional balsamic glaze brought in a sweet and tangy flavor profile. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper added the final touch. We let the salad sit for 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and enhance the overall taste. So, the next time you crave something simple yet satisfying, remember the Caprese salad, where less is indeed more.